Yeah. Now there's a log right there to your right.
Yeah, I see it.
If he goes under it, don't worry about it. Just let him go, and then we'll pull him out.
Man, that is a good feeling fish.
Uh-oh, Brooks got one on too. And we have a double, folks.
Oh, don't go over there. He got under it.
Did he? All right, hang on. Just stand right there. That's all right. He's not out of it. Brooks, go out into the river. Wait straight out to the river so you can pull him away from the log.
Walk down in there?
Yeah, Chris, just hang on, and I'll help you. Let's get Brooks's fish out of the way. Is he tangled up? Oh, there you go. Oh, wow, Brooks. Hold that up.
That's a good one.
Yeah, hold it up in front of your shirt. There you go. Good job. Good job. Yeah, wade out past it to the right. Just keep straight out. And then see if you can pull him out from under it. And make sure you give him...
I think he's gone around a few times.
Okay,